Hi viewers, I'm Shahad Niroy and you're watching Language In. Today we are going to discuss about grammar and the topic is parts of speech. A part of speech is a category to which a word is assigned in accordance with its syntactic functions. We can also say that part of speech is a group of words which can be used in certain ways. The parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective and articles, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Today we are going to discuss first part of speech, noun. So let's come to the lesson. Noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, a place, or a thing. We can also say naming word is called a noun. For example, chair, egg, boy, pen, city, etc. Nouns are divided into two categories: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, book, wall, girl. And in a sentence, this book is very interesting. Another one, the girl is looking sad. Uncountable nouns. Names of things, substances, metals, materials, or abstract ideas that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, beauty, gold, air, wood, pain, love, milk, etc. And sentences: the table is made of wood. The gold is a precious metal. Kinds of noun. Basically, there are two kinds of noun: concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete nouns are the nouns that can be identified through our four senses, that are taste, touch, sight, hearing, and smell. Concrete nouns are further divided into proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and compound noun. Proper noun. Name of a particular person, place, or thing given to them individually. For example, Ali, Multan, English, etc. And in sentences, Multan is called the city of saints. It is an English book. Common noun. The names that refers commonly to a large numbers of persons, places, or things of similar kinds. For example, boy, city, thing. And in sentences, the boy is singing. It is a hot city. Collective noun. The name of a collection of persons, places, or things taken as together and referred as a whole. It shows the group of noun. For example, flock, herd, clump, class, army, crowd, team, library, family, hive, etc. And in sentences, it is a hive of bees. Pakistan Army is one of the best armies in the world. Collective nouns are usually used as singular except police. In a sentence, The police are chasing the thief. Material noun. Name of materials, metals and substances in making other things. For example, cement, water, gold, silver, iron, wood, cotton, milk, sand, etc. And in sentences, Pakistan is sufficient in cotton. The ring is made of gold. Compound noun. Two or more words as a name of one person, one place, or one thing is called compound noun. For example, class fellow, lady doctor, whiteboard, handbag, roommate, age fellow, classroom, etc. And in sentences, Ali is my age fellow. The robber snatched her handbag. Second kind is abstract noun. The names given to a state, feelings, idea, actions, arts, qualities, diseases, characteristics, and sciences are called abstract nouns. They have no material being, so they cannot be identified through our five senses. For example, birth, death, love, hate, honesty, dishonesty, childhood, youth, mercy, kindness, anger, hate, pain, etc. And in sentences, honesty is the best policy. Love begets love. Another category of noun is gender. Gender is the division of nouns according to their sexes. Masculine gender. It refers to male gender. For example, boy, father, loin. Feminine gender. It refers to female gender. For example, mother, lioness, girl. Common gender. It refers to the both of the sexes. For example, doctor, lawyer, parents, student, teacher, baby, friend, etc. Neuter gender. It refers to inanimate things, birds, insects, and animals that are not referred to identify to their sexes. For example, table, pen, dove, book, ant, snake, fly, etc. Today we have learned about noun and its kinds. Keep watching my channel, and if you didn't subscribe it, please subscribe it. Thank you.